Good morning, angels. Good morning, pleasures. Good morning, guys. Today is August 8th, and I recently woke up. Excuse me for the newly awake face. So now It's been a while. Excuse me. It's been a while that I haven't cleaned my face, scrubbed my face. So I'm gonna use my Neutrogena today, this one, because I feel very itchy. I think it's from a little bit of allergy from the sun or maybe from the dust. So when I use this one, it always works very well. So I'm gonna scrub my face today with that. So there. That is how I do that. I hope my phone will not fall down. So let's start with the water. I love the water. And then let's grab that Neutrogena scrub. And then it's a peeling scrub actually. So just getting a small amount of that and then I'm scrubbing it here, guys. Because I think dust is coming inside my skin. That's why I feel very itchy all around my face. That is always happening on me. When it's very dusty and I did not clean for a while my face. I was just in the sun, I did not even wash my face with this scrub because I left it at home. Or I just washed it with a normal soap. It's also not good for me. Oh, the scrub always helps a lot on me. So, there. Here you have to scrub it too in this area and then more above here, this area. Scrub it more. Just like that. Don't forget a little bit on the next side. Smells so good. The scrub smells very, very good. I love it so much. And then, yeah. Today I'm gonna make maybe I do the Denmark Howl vlog for you guys. I'm gonna film that actually, and then by maybe 1 or 2 weeks I'll upload that Denmark Howl vlog. And I'm still working with Legoland Denmark vlog. I'm not yet done on it, have to edit it. I actually have few videos for you guys because we were having fun and it's so hot there and it's too many people in Denmark. I mean in Legoland Denmark. So I was not making so many videos actually. I have photos, I made photos but not for me. That was for my family. But I had only few videos, guys. I realized I've made few videos, so I maybe just have to add on it another vlog, maybe from the last day where of what we were doing in Denmark. So yeah, I'll do that, and yeah. So it's now time to wash our face. Wash it. Oh. So that's it, and then let's get a towel. And the other face wash I'm using is this one here. It's from Clinique. It's also very effective on me, and this says that it's for dry combination and it really works so well. It's a liquid face soap and it's mild from cleaning. And if I don't get like itchy face, or I also don't do peeling or scrubbing every day, because I think also not so it's not so important for me to do scrubbing every day. It's good for your skin, but every day I think it's, I don't know, I don't do that every day. But right now at this moment, I love how this Neutrogena visibly clear, fine and matte peeling or scrub peeling, and this is how it looks like after. My skin also feels so soft, so I really love it. And now I feel like the itchiness is gone in my skin. Excuse me, my morning glory ata ako. Wait, yeah. Now I feel like I'm fresh, without without taking a shower. And yeah, that's the thing I do twice a week or thrice a week. This Neutrogena peeling scrub. And let's go and do another vlog later. I might be, again, I'm gonna do haul from Denmark, and then edit more videos, guys, and see you later. So now let's go downstairs. So I'm just recently awake, guys, so I just have to, oh my gosh, our door is open. Someone left it open. Look, he opens it. I forgot to close it. I don't like that. No, it's okay, but when we were sleeping longer today, so it's not a good thing that you left your doors open. So now let's go to our kitchen. Excuse me, some messy. So let's do that. Let's do the request.
So I'm gonna make breakfast for my daughter. She likes like a bread with milk, like a sandwich cheese on top. First, what am I talking about? I'm gonna get first the butter, and then early morning you really have to drink coffee, I think, first. So I have this butter, and we have this like a cheddar cheese sandwich. Like this. So that's very good when you have a child. When you make a sandwich, you don't have to make so much effort already, because it's already prepared there. It's prepared. And then I'm gonna add the butter on top. So I just hope it works well. So let's add the butter. Yan. Wait, I forgot something, I think. I hope I did not forget one. I would need where is it? Pancit. I don't know if it works with this one. And I love this one also. This kind of butter. Oh, it's still closed. I can't open that one. I will not open that one because it's not yet open. Mostly, I only wait for my husband to open it, and then when it's open at the time, I'm gonna use it most of the time. So, just like that. The only problem is that my butter is not yet soft, but it still works, of course. And then what I do, I'm gonna open the cheese. And then let's add it on top. There. Oh, I feel it almost. So there you go. I'm gonna get the cover, the bread cover, and then I'm gonna slice that. For slicing, I'm gonna need, or I will need a sharp knife to cut it into 4 pieces. Cut it into 4 pieces, just like that. See? And it's perfect. That's perfect. So I'm gonna serve it to my daughter upstairs, and yeah, I'll be right back.
Hello guys! Magandang araw sa ating lahat! Today is August 11 and it's a Saturday, and I woke up very late today. So but I'm done with my one of my laundries last night. So natapos ko siya, naka-laundry na ako. I just have to get it out in our washing machine and then place it outside. And check the weather if it will not rain first, because when it rains, then I should not place it today outside. Just have to place it in our living area so that it's dried. And then yeah, it's a typical day today. It's a typical chores, which I normally do every day. And then later, maybe we go to the supermarket, because we normally do that in the weekend, one time in the weekend, and that's Saturday. And then not so many activities actually. I'm thinking of, we don't have schedules for the weekend, but next week we'll be busy. We will be going to a friend's birthday, and I'll do my best to vlog there for you guys so that you can also see some of my friends here. And yeah, what else? I actually have something for Howl vlog, and that is the Denmark and an outlet store here. I'm gonna vlog a little bit of that, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what I bought there. And yeah, I uploaded already the first episode of our Denmark adventure, and the next would be next week, hopefully. I'm gonna do a little bit. I actually have a few videos of Legoland Denmark, so watch out for it, guys, and continue supporting my channel. And again, don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm in our laundry area, so I'm getting it out. Actually, this one is best with a liquid soap, but I still have many powdered soap, so I'm having this white extra powder from obviously, oh my gosh, what am I talking about? Yeah, from Persil is the brand, and then normally I'm using the Ariel. I love Ariel, but I'm having that. I still have that. I need to finish that, and it was on sale. This box over here. That's it. There's a white one. That's the green one is the white one powder, but which you can use only for the white clothes. And then we have here the Persil color. That's for the colored ones. And I have actually conditioners and all of that. Their hair here. So yeah, let's start it, and it will be done in 1 hour and 3 minutes. So let's start that one. Am I on the reg? Yeah. So press it. Yeah, now it's working. That's how that works. I'm just amazed about it because I actually used to the manual one where I can't see. We don't have mirror here, and I mean an open glass where you can see how that works. So yeah, happy laundry for me.